Hi there, Roasangela. Let's see what you wrote in this set of essays. It's the pollution essay from what I can tell. Okay, do try to include the task when you're writing these so that I can refer to the question, okay? Alrighty. The issue of contamination has grown in importance over recent decades. The levels of pollution reported in the big cities are reaching alarming degrees, causing health problems to their inhabitants because it's, oops, wait, where'd I go? Hold on, there we go. To their inhabitants, because big cities plural. Fortunately, some measures can be taken in order to counter this problem. This essay will discuss this matter using examples from Beijing and Tesla to demonstrate this point. All right, that's good. That's nice. Although there are several factors that cause pollution, it has been demonstrated that carbon dioxide emissions are one of the main causes. This is due to the industrialized processes which continue burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, increasing the levels of CO2 in the air, affecting the health of the population. Take as an example Beijing, where, according to recent research, there has been an increment of 35% of people with asthma problems recorded as compared to 10 years ago, affecting the quality of life of the individuals. Okay, so you basically talked about carbon dioxide. Okay. Considering this, it is critical to take on responsibility and focus on addressing the contamination problem. In order to do so, community, government, and companies ought to work together. Public transport systems should be improved, which will reduce the traffic, and planting more plants will enhance the air in cities. In this way, companies would follow the example of Tesla to encourage the use of bicycle by giving their employees $5 for cycling to get to work. Okay. Fine. To conclude from the example and arguments given, I firmly believe that contamination issues and its consequences, and their consequences, because you said issues here, can be diminished by changing patterns in our society. All right, it's lovely. I really liked this paragraph. You presented solutions, and you also explained how they are solutions. Briefly, but you did it, so it's appropriate. So do you know where my problem is with this essay? Like I said, you didn't include the task, so that would have been helpful because now I need to refer to it, but fortunately I remember it pretty well. It says, what are the reasons for this? Right? Okay, do you remember it? So it does say reasons plural, and you said that there are several factors, but you only talked about carbon dioxide. So an examiner is going to say, well, wait a minute. I didn't ask for one reason, I asked for reasons. Okay, so what is this going to do? It's going to lower your task achievement score, which is such a shame because it's a really well-written essay. But in the eyes of an examiner, it's going to seem underdeveloped because you only gave one reason when they asked for multiple reasons. Okay? It's not to say that it's a bad essay. It's just it's not going to be developed enough to probably get you the score that you're looking for. If you're aiming for one of those higher band scores, 7 and above, if you miss something like that and you don't give reasons, but you just give a reason, you're probably not going to get it in task achievement. Okay? Okay, everything else though was great, really. It was nicely written. So let's take a look at your task 2. Where are you? Okay. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Smith, I am writing to apply for a job position which I would like to secure at your summer camp. My name is Roasangela, currently enrolled in a teaching course at Melbourne University. As a student, I have the summer off every year, therefore I'm available to work through these summer months. In terms of the sort of position, I would prefer to work as a coach, training younger children. I'm very good with children, since I like to encourage their confidence and original thinking, which leads me to think this kind of job suits me best. As far as my experience is concerned, I have worked as a coach in Geelong, teaching children where I attend school. Furthermore, I am able to teach children in a very clear way, have worked... What? I don't know what you mean here, have worked together. I'm able to teach them... Oh, have them work together. Okay, yeah, that would probably make sense here. Have them work together as a team and show them the importance of playing sports. So, in other words, you're taking this, I am able to do what? I'm able to, number 1, teach them. Number 2, have them work together. And number 3, show them the importance. So you can see that this I'm able to carries out to the rest of your verbs. Thank you for your time and consideration. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, so, yes, good. There are a couple of little problems in terms of structure. Structure. Well, it's really just the conventions of letter writing. So first of all, you know the name of the people you were writing to, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, which I think is a little strange. I mean, usually we address a cover letter to just one person. So probably could have just picked either Mr. or Mrs. Smith. And then, since you know the name of the person you're writing to, yours faithfully is not an appropriate sign-off. It should be yours sincerely, best regards, probably yours sincerely. Just play it safe, okay? Yours faithfully is what we use when we do not know the name of the person we're writing to. Let's see. Yeah, the rest of it is lovely. It's well written. I don't really have any other questions or concerns. It was a good job, okay? So just take my suggestions into consideration. Go ahead and correct these essays, return them back corrected, and let's meet here again with your next set of essays, okay? Good luck.